এখন জান্নাতুল ফেরদৌস জুমার নেতৃত্বে ইংলিশ ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ ক্লাবের একটা প্রোগ্রাম শুরু হচ্ছে অঙ্কুর কলেজের উচ্চ মাধ্যমিক বিদ্যালয়ের ইংলিশ ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ ক্লাব, যেটার নেতৃত্বে রয়েছেন জান্নাতুল ফেরদৌস জুমা নবম শ্রেণীর শিক্ষিকা ছাত্রী। তার নেতৃত্বে কতটা উন্নতি হয়েছে অঙ্কুর কলেজের উচ্চ মাধ্যমিক বিদ্যালয়ের ইংলিশ ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ ক্লাব, সেটা একটা পারফরমেন্স দেখানো হচ্ছে।
Assalamu alaikum everyone. It's me, Jannatul Fairdous Juma, raised in class 9 in this Onkur Collegiate Higher Secondary School. So I am the graduate of this school's English club, and I'm also a member and a graduate of this club. And I'm coming in here for presenting a presentation, a display from the English club that there are the students, the member of the English club and the Onkur school. So I have to say and present a topic about this necessity and importance of learning English. So I have to say what is the importance and necessity of learning English. Yeah, English is our international language. It is a semi-official and also official language. So in this topic, our students, our members will say something in front of you so that you will understand what is the necessity of learning English and why English is important in every country and in every occupation. So the students and the members will share some topics, some sentence to you everyone so that you can understand this topic very easily. So let's start.
English is a semi-official and official language more than 60 countries. So English is very important language.
Bangla is our mother language, but English is necessary.
English is used for talk with others. English is very important language. Many of books, poems, websites are in English, so we have to must learn English. English is international language. English is most useful language in the world. English is very important for every people. To get higher studies, English is very important. To get a job of handsome salary, English is very important.
So in this some of the minutes, we listen some sentences, some grateful sentences from the members, the 10 members of this club, the great members, and there is so many students, and from them there is also so many students. They have the members of English club. So I have to be thankful to them that they are in the English club, and the guardian, I have to say English is very important. So please give them much appreciation in that your students are good, your children are good in study and also in English language, because English language is good. Because when a students are going into an interview, when he go to higher studies, he will great in writing. But when it is the talk about the language, then they are in a second level, in the lowest level because of this language. So language is very important if it is English. So we know English is a semi-official and official language. It is important. It is our international language, and all over that we are listening to them. So we have to say and a sentence from all of them, that is English is very important and necessary for all the people. And that's the end of all that. It is very necessary and important from all, and we can see every of this you can see, and it is important and from them and for everyone, the guardian, the children, the teachers, and here present everyone, the guests also. Thank you for giving us this time, your expensive time to us, and listen our speech, our display attentively, carefully, and much appreciatively. So thank you everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.
ধন্যবাদ, থ্যাংক ইউ। জান্নাতুল ফেরদৌস জুমা ক্লাস 9C এবং ইংলিশ ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ ক্লাবের একটা পারফরমেন্স প্রদর্শিত হলো। সকলেই ওদের জন্য জোরে একটা করতালি এবং অঙ্কুর কলেজের উচ্চ মাধ্যমিক বিদ্যালয়ের জন্য।